Hello everyone. Hey guys, this is Simba. He's my little kitty cat. I just got him last week and he likes to play in his litter box. Disgusting. It's like freaking Pigpen, this guy. The Charlie Brown character for those old heads like me. Anyway, we took him to the pet spa today. Actually, they came and picked him up, took him to the pet spa. We got a bath. He got his nails trimmed. Right here, got his little nails trimmed. He had his legs trimmed too. Had his little ears cleaned out and his eyes cleaned out. And they delivered him back, and it cost 80,000 dong. Isn't that right? 80,000 Vietnamese dong, which sounds like a lot, but it's really $3.20. So you can save a lot of money here on services. So if there's a service that's involved, it's involving human labor, that is very, very cheap here. Maybe if you go and buy a microwave, you're going to spend maybe close to the same amount of money you might spend in the United States or elsewhere. Any type of electronics, cell phones, things like that. You're not going to come here and get an Apple iPhone 15 and save hundreds of dollars. But you might have something installed in your place and you might save a ton of money. So funny thing, he'll poop in one area and pee in another in his litter box. He keeps it separated. So very well organized in there, and comes out looking like he's wearing all of it and smelling like it too. So we're going to do that crap every week. Take you to the spa, whether you like me or not. Isn't that right? You probably don't like me right now. But you're super, super cute and clean. Super cute and clean. Simba. Isn't he adorable? He looks comfortable, but less than thrilled. Okay. Thanks, guys. Appreciate you. We'll catch you later. Bye.